Hey y'all, it's Michelle from Monkey's Creations. Come in and say hey. Come say hey. So I'm making another beehive because my Mevo was full and I was unable to download it to upload it to YouTube. So we're doing it again. So you come in, let me know you're here. I think I finally got my laptop fixed. Yay! My baby. My baby. Hey, what's up, y'all? Oh, look at there. I did it, y'all. I did it. Good evening. You made your first beehive? Awesome. Awesome, awesome. I did finally get to Hobby Lobby, y'all, and there was hardly anybody in there. I looked in the park as I was driving up in the parking lot. I was like, where is everybody? I mean, it was like a ghost town for Hobby Lobby. I was like, oh my God, it's getting serious, y'all. It's getting serious. And they closed our schools today, closed our daycares. So, y'all know what I'm going to be doing the next week or two. Me again? What? You know you love seeing me. Alberta, Canada. Hey, Jace, what's up, dude? I hope you're feeling better. I'm good, I'm good. What's up, Vanja? Long time no see. Hey. So, yes, so I have to do another one so that I can upload it to YouTube. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm going to bring y'all down just a little bit more. I've got a crick in my back. It's hell getting old, y'all. You were all at Sam's and Costco? Yeah. What the what? So yeah, we've been on the hunt because, you know, there's like 5 of us in this house. And I was down to 1 pack. So I sent my daughter going around trying to find some toilet paper on her way home from work. She went to like 3 places and finally ended up at a CVS that had 4 packs. So she got 2 of them and left 1. I'm like, good girl. Good girl. Oh no. Well, stay safe. So, we're going to make another beehive. I guess y'all are calling them skips. I don't know what a skip is. I just know it's a beehive, y'all. So, I have an egg that I found at, I think I found it at Kroger a week or 2. So we're going to take it off, and that part is going to be our beehive. And remind me to show y'all what I found at Hobby Lobby, since I had almost free reign of the place, since nobody was there. They're closing schools there too. Yep, here too. Crazy. So we may have to do some lives with Monkey. Some crafting that we can do with him or something. I don't know what we're going to do. We'll figure it out. So what I'm going to do so that we can reuse this, I didn't have any saran wrap. Bug lady. Hello. So, well, I did. I just don't know where it's at. So I found parchment paper that would work. But then I happened upon the plastic bag that I got all my goodies at from Crafters Convention. So what I'm thinking is we're just going to tape this inside the egg so that when it comes time to pull our jute off, it'll just pull right off. Hey, hey. Doesn't that sound like a good idea? So we're just gonna put it all in here, just like that. We may not even have to tape it, but I'm gonna just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. But I've got some tape right here. This bad boy in place. Wax paper or parchment. I had parchment paper, but I was afraid that, well, I guess it wouldn't matter. You're not going to see the inside of it, but I was just thinking that you wouldn't be able to get the parchment paper out like you would the plastic. That's my thinking. I want to be able to use it over and over if I can. So we can just pull it off and then reuse it. That didn't work too well. Yes, pay attention, Rose. What is the wreath behind you? Oh, I just missed it. Ask me again. Sorry, I didn't see it. So there, we're all wrapped up. I've got my glue, I've got my jute, I've got my foam, I've got my bees. I think we're set to go. So this one is a little bit different because we are going to start at the top, whereas the others I worked from the bottom up and then we put a little hanger. Okay, we are not going to do that. But what I am going to do is I'm going to get a pipe cleaner. And it really doesn't matter what color it is. Because when I get about halfway, I'm going to put this pipe cleaner in and wrap the jute around it so it kind of looks like that. That way it'll be easier to attach to a wreath. You finally caught me live, yay! So isn't that a good idea? So we don't have to fight like I did the last time. Did y'all see that? It was a mess. I don't feel like fighting. So we're gonna start at the top. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of round it off just a little bit here. And I'm gonna put a dab of glue to kind of hold it, and we're going to put it right on top. I'm actually going to put a little bit more, just like that. What is the diameter of the nuts? Girl, what you talking about? Yes, I'm going to pull it off of the egg, the top of the egg. Yours doesn't come apart like that? Well, you could probably do the same thing, but just stop maybe 3/4 of the way down. That's where you'll start. I wouldn't go all the way down and then just do the top. So it'd be the same thing, but make sure you cover it so you can take it off. Hello, hello. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and get started. Do I have this? I gotta try to remember which way I'm going. I guess I need this on this side. So we're making another beehive because my Mevo was full, and so I wasn't able to download the last live I did because it didn't take it. Oiks! First burn of the night. Let me see if I can find my... Oh, I found one. I know the other's in there, but This is, I took a picture of it and posted it. So it's natural jute, 98 feet, 29.87 millimeters, 3 ply. So there it is, screenshot it. Oh, let's see if I can get the glare off. From Hobby Lobby. Use your 40% off coupon, y'all. I'm starting at the top because this one is not necessarily gonna get, I'm not gonna put a hanger on it because it's going in a wreath. I'm gonna do a swag on the UITC triangle board. So it's gonna go in a swag. And once I get it started, I'm gonna turn it upside down because I feel like it's gonna work better. You're welcome. What's up, Suzanne? I do need a ladies' daisy, Susan. I have one. See, I did need it over here. Hey. You got your boards? Yay. All right, so I'm gonna turn it upside down now that we've got it started because it's easier for me to work with it like this. That way we can get more on the jute than we can on the egg. Hello. What's everybody doing tonight? Usually I don't come on this late, but I had some orders that I'm trying to bust out, and so now you should be able to get 3, maybe 4 eggs out of this. So I mean, it's almost $20, so $6. Looks like I'm roping my boob. Oh my God. Only you. I gotta take my glasses off, y'all. I can't see. Can't see. I guess it would kind of look like that, huh? So with this big jute, it goes pretty quickly. We're making a beehive. You're gonna have to do this. These are fun, y'all. Like, I am like hooked. Seriously hooked. Not even a joke. Grab another glue stick. Hello. Thanks for watching, y'all. There is a trick for these glue sticks. Y'all know what it is? I'll show you on the next one. Just take the end of your glue stick and put just a little small piece or dab of hot glue and stick it on there, and it works really well. You made 2 last night? What's up, Julia and Amy? Amy, that daggone it, centerpiece you made was adorable. Yep, glue the ends. I'll show you on the next one because I'm sure I'll need another. Be careful and don't stick the tip of your hot glue gun to the plastic. Right, Denise? Hey, Tracy, what's up? I'm getting cocky, y'all. Down really well. I'm not really worried about the top because I'm gonna do, I tried to find some small white daisies at Hobby Lobby and they didn't have any. But yeah, I'm also thinking about doing a centerpiece with a beehive. Wouldn't that be cute? On a UITC board? What is that noise? It's our ice maker. And I actually cooked 2 nights in a row, y'all. I guess I'm preparing to be home quarantined. I won't be able to order my DoorDash. No, it's not Wendy. It's the ice maker I got my husband for Christmas. And so we're always fighting over the ice. So I get the ice from the fridge. He gets the ice from the ice maker. I put plastic over the egg. That way we could reuse it. Oh, I need to remember. I got to figure out where I'm going to put the pipe cleaner because the plan is to kind of go like this. That way the pipe cleaner's glued in there, y'all. That's so smart. I'm thinking, yeah, maybe a couple more rows and we'll stick that in. Yeah, we'll all be stuck at home. So I'm gonna make one more run to the grocery store tomorrow. Cause y'all, our grocery stores are even running out of meat. And my husband is a meat and potato guy. So if I run out of meat, just file for divorce now. It will not be pretty. Oh my God, get me off that TV. You caught me live. If y'all wouldn't mind floating my boat, I'd appreciate it. Just trying to figure out where my half mark is. I am smart. That's so smart. Don't y'all forget it. Because y'all seen me cussing when I was trying to do that other wreath. Trying to get it through there. Our wise Michelle. There's my other stalker. Hi, hi. And lace potato chips. My husband was shopping today. Oh, goodness. is going to be the last one. So I am going to go ahead. We should only need one. One should be plenty to hold it. So let me put a dab of extra glue there. And we're going to go just like that. So this is going to be our back. So I'm putting extra glue just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. So let's wrap that. There we go. Yep, our schools are closed too. And daycares. Yeah. So I'm hoping my brother doesn't remember I work from home. Because then I'll be watching my nieces too. Oh my goodness. So we may be doing a lot of kids' arts and crafts next week. Lord help me. They've only closed your, really? Oh, didn't Damon do awesome last night? He made me want to drink. But he did good. For his first one. His first official one. Look how cute this is gonna be. Your stomach hurt from laughing? Oh my God, he was hilarious. No, I don't need extra money that bad, girl. Nope, nope, nope. I'm good. Yo, I need a new glue gun. I got a new glue gun, and then when I plugged it in the charger, it started smoking. And now it won't turn on. So yeah, not good. So now I need a, look at this one's so nasty. You keep hitting the send button before I finish typing. What? Oh my goodness, you'll kill me. So I was gonna go to Dollar Tree and look at their jute as well. The traffic was horrendous, so I said, forget it, not happening. You're waiting for them to close the schools here. I can't believe they haven't closed them yet. Where you got your glue gun and glue stick. This one I think came from Hobby Lobby. And the glue sticks, I get the big glue sticks from the Gorilla Glue from Walmart. They seem to have the best prices, the cheapest. The cat and mouse is pretending. What? I left mine on. Oh no, ah girl, Stacy, I've done that more than once. Never for 2 days though. We're making a beehive or a bee skip. I don't know what y'all call it. I call them beehive, but everybody keeps trying to correct me. It's a bee skip. I'm calling it beehive. They closed the Catholic schools. Sam's Club's, oh, I can't. I saw videos of Costco, y'all. Oh, I even saw a cat fight over toilet paper. I'm just like, y'all really fighting. I mean, they were slinging. They're crazy. I think I'd have to use some tissue paper or paper towel or even my clothes before I'm gonna fight somebody. Yes, it's a beehive. Thank you. I don't know what some people are calling it a skip. I don't know. 2 or 3 people corrected me, tried to correct me, but I'm still calling it a beehive. So I'm really just trying to get it on the rope, not trying to get it on the plastic. That one was really daring, y'all. And I'm not even using the finger. I got the finger guard on, am I? Because it's still burning under there. I think my skin is still sizzling. You don't have a Kroger? What? Exactly. Wash your hands. Sorry, I missed a comment. You lost internet and then I didn't see what else you said. So if it's a question, repeat it, please. So these go pretty quick, especially with the bigger rope. Now, if you're going to use the smaller, like the twine, you'll be here forever, y'all. I ain't into that. As some people on Pinterest is calling it a skip. Okay, I'm not alone then. Yay! Nurses have the temps taken prior to going into nursing homes. Where's my pipe cleaner? Right there. 4 stores there. Yeah. I can't. Man, I was gonna do a live and show y'all how to make homemade hand sanitizer, and I couldn't even find the alcohol to do it, y'all. So crazy. Just soap and water. It's a lot of, this isn't a lot of work. This is fun, girl. I don't know why I enjoy making these so much, but I do. I guess because I don't have to think. I just have to worry about singeing my finger. You're making handmade soap for a baby shower and couldn't, yeah, I couldn't find it either. Go to the liquor store. Right? Then you get scented hand sanitizer too. Tequila Rose hand sanitizer. We can do some Jack hand sanitizer. What y'all want? But seriously, if y'all can find alcohol, just mix it with aloe, and there's just some hand sanitizer. Very easy. I know I'm never on this late, am I? I've been trying to bust out orders all day, and I knew I needed to get this done, so I was like, well, I can sit and do it, because normally you don't see me standing this late at night. Unless I'm at the convention. And then I've taken at least 4 to 8 Advil. Oh, you'll be drinking the vodka. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, definitely soap and water, but if you're in a crunch and you're out in public and have no access to it's hand sanitizer is better than anything. Better than nothing anyway. You can find bee buttons at Joann's. Oh, did I show you this awesome bees I found? Look, they're so cute. They came in a pack. So there's some bees, and they have some ladybugs in there, all different sizes. So yeah, I found these at Craft Outlet. All right, so look, y'all. Put you a little dab of glue right on the end. Stick it in, and then you should have no problems keeping it going. 6 rolls from good Lord. But the shipping date was middle of April. Isn't that crazy? And this virus doesn't even give you diarrhea, y'all. Not that we really, you know, should be talking about that, I guess, on a live, but oh well. You got them too? Marshall Tucker brand at the end of the month. Yeah, y'all, they even shut down the Houston Rodeo. The Houston Rodeo hasn't been shut down in over 80 years. Who does that? Isn't that insane? I mean, a lot of people losing a lot of money there. And that's a 2-week rodeo, y'all. Crazy. They have just canceled all classes at University of Mississippi. Yeah. Yep, everything. Everything. Insane. But I don't know what, I mean, if they close down, I mean, obviously the schools and daycares are closed down, but, you know, some parents have to work. They don't have, you know, an option. So that just makes me sad. Yep, Disney shut down. Yep. Just the one in California. I don't think they've closed. Did they close the one in Florida yet? Thanks. I don't like basketball anyway. Alright, we're almost to the end, y'all. And we can see if it works. I'm so excited. See, I can sing like Mariah Carey too. All right, so we're gonna cut it off. It's getting close to my finger, y'all. Close down. They did close down Orlando. Oh, they did. Okay. Yeah, I knew they'd closed down the California one, but I hadn't heard about the Florida one yet. Oh, just tonight. Where do we get the thick rope? Hobby Lobby. I got the last one at my Hobby Lobby, so if you're in League City, don't go to the Webster one because they're out. All right, so I'm gonna leave that hang, and we're gonna see if this works, y'all. All right, please. Oh, maybe I should just try to pull the egg. Wah, 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 wah. It worked, y'all. And you can probably just leave this in here because this isn't going to hurt anything. Did y'all see that? That was like magic. Magic. So we're just going to cut that off. That was pretty cool. You want me to do that again? Oh, your members. Look, I know y'all want to see that again, don't you? Look how cute. Want to see it again? Bam! I'm so excited. Look, okay, then I'm just going to tuck this right down inside where we stopped. You didn't see it the first time. It was just a bag that had the plush in it that some of the plushes that I got from Crafters Convention. But you could use saran wrap. That's what I was gonna use, but I couldn't find it. So, yeah, any plastic bag will work, y'all. Even a Kroger bag. You could probably use a Kroger bag, y'all. So that we use the bag so that I could reuse the egg. That's smart, y'all. Look how cute that is. Okay. Calm down, Michelle. So we're going to take a piece of foam, a cup. We're going to cut us out a circle. I'm just doing that so it indents in the foam so I can see my circle. Pull an egg out of a beehive, right? Don't ever doubt me. So we're just going to cut out a circle. Full, yeah, full would work. Can make little basket. Yes, you can. I'm so smart. Now don't remember this when I do something dumb the next time. Y'all don't remember I said I was smart. Just tonight. All right, so this is our back, because remember we have the little pipe cleaner so we can attach it to a wreath. So we're gonna glue this right on there. Actually, I'm gonna cut my piece of jute first to make sure it fits over the circle. Alright, so we're going to put a little dab of glue. I always check a couple times. So we're going to put a little dab of glue right there. And we're going to hook these together just like that. Hello, hello. Okay, so we're gonna let that sit. And we're gonna glue our front door on. Let me see how far I have to come up. That'll work. Make sure I'm even to the back. I'll turn it around in just a minute. So we're just gonna put a little bit of glue on our circle. Make sure I don't burn myself. There. So we're just gonna glue that right on there. Now this is foam. If you have black paint, you can just paint your black sienna. You can do felt, you can do a Sharpie, whatever you have on hand. That is smart. No, that's not a alarm, it's an ice maker. So just like that, and then we're gonna take this and glue it on there. Look how cute. But, hold on. I wanna make sure, so I'm gonna use a B to cover where it connects up right there. Can y'all see? Can you use half a beehive? I don't know. You try it and let me know. So I want to make sure that I've got that part where it meets where I want it so that we can stick a bee on there and cover it up. You ran out of cord? Oh no. All right, so we're just gonna run a thing of hot glue all the way around and just good karma, I don't burn myself. Boy. Oh, I did it, y'all. I'm gonna hold that on there. Look how stinking cute. First time watching, well, welcome, Julie. I'm Michelle from Monkey's Creations, so if you have any questions, let me know. Use the bottom half. Is that smaller? Well, the bottom half is, but it's got the flat, but you could still, like I did on the others, this is where I would start on the bottom and work my way up. When you get to here, then just freehand it and start making it smaller, and then you can add your handle. I could do one. You're a gooba. would Walmart have that rope? They do have it, but they don't have it this thick that I know of. So do we want, look, his thing is kind of cockeyed. I don't want a cockeyed antenna. Should I do, maybe I'll do a, should I think I'm gonna do a big one there. Go big or go home. Now these are, they have there the sticky, so you can take that off, but I wouldn't depend on just that. I would still add a dab of glue. Look, y'all. Home Depot and Lowe's, yeah. But not as thick, yeah. That's what I thought. I wasn't sure. And like I said, I was going to run by Dollar Tree because I think theirs is a little bit thicker, but you don't get as much. But traffic was horrible, so I didn't go. Everybody out trying to find toilet paper. All right, so there we go. And now we can add even a small one. We can add the small ones around wherever we want them. These ladybugs are cute, y'all. But I can't use them. First time watching? Well, welcome, Melissa. Thanks. So we can just, I'm not sure, okay, so I'm gonna put this in a swag. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. So I'm not gonna put too many of these on because we can always add more. But I just want to give y'all an idea. And I'm going to try to make it to Michael's tomorrow to see if they have any of the small daisies, the white daisies. So we'll see. 3 minutes away from me. Oh yeah, you're in trouble. Yeah, everybody out looking for toilet paper. Good gracious. So, and I did, if y'all are just popping on, what I did when I was doing this is I wrapped a pipe cleaner around the inside because last time I really struggled trying to get something through there to attach it to a wreath. So I got smart this time and I did it as I was going. So now we have something to attach it to the board. So I'm gonna do this on the triangle, the Unique and the Creek triangle board. I'm gonna turn it upside down and make a swag. So now I have something to get it to the board, attach it to the board. I could use the ladybugs on the, yes. Oh, where's my, boy. So here's the tiny sunflower. Look how cute. Yes. I'm going to have to fix that. So there it is. That's all I'm going to do to it right now. Didn't you have a loop? I did on the last one. I had a loop. This one, because it was the egg and I started at the top, I decided we didn't need loops. But I could always add a bow or something if I wanted to. Oh, it's in a wreath. I was going to show it, but it's in the wreath. I just took a cup and made an indent with a cup on a foam. So you can use foam, you can use felt, you can use paint, you can use a Sharpie, whatever you want to make that black Senna. Wish you had a Menards. So there it is. Isn't that awesome? It's so cute. But I may try one with the bottom. It would be probably a little bit fatter and definitely a little bit shorter, but it would still be cute. Still be cute. I believe that's out. If not, Michael's. Oh. See, I always forget to try to do that. So I did use my 40% off, but I always forget that they take Joann's too, huh? The egg I got at Kroger. Look, y'all want to see that again? I was so fascinated. Bam! So, but I think Walmart has them. You could find these eggs just about anywhere. I mean, it doesn't have to be this big. You could get the smaller ones. This just happened to be the one they had. Boy. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay, well that is, oh, y'all want to see this hair? Look, I was roaming because I had tons of time because nobody was there. So I went in the doll section looking for hair. And it's snagging. So I found this. It's called Marigold Market Doll Shop. So it's Jumbo Loopy Chanel for the hair. And this one was $2.99 and it's 3 yards. So I got it thinking it was like maybe like a whole piece, like a whole wig. Oh, I don't know what I did with it now. But it happened to be, oh my goodness, y'all. Lord help me. 1, 2. Give for not putting it on my table. Anyway, it's what hair? It comes in all shapes. Exactly. So I'm gonna play with it. It looks cool. Can y'all see that? So I'm gonna play with it and maybe put a couple together. Jen, I don't know what that is, girl. Maybe something and just kind of gather it and then cut it here. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Yes, how tall is the egg? I'll tell you in just a minute. So that's what I'm going to play with. Well, after I get all these orders done, I need to get done. On another doll, on another country girl. I don't know. From Jamaica. Yay! I'm almost done now, Sheila. But I thought that might look kind of cute. Kind of under a hat for hair. So obviously I'll do something a little better. So I don't know. I'll play with it and we'll see. Bob Marley had that hair. Okay, I guess we can't use it. Oh, funny. All right. Any questions, y'all? Any questions? Any questions? Oh, locks. Oh, okay, okay. I don't know what you mean. Oh, goodness. All right. Well, if y'all don't have any questions, my little beehive is done. And we will get that on a swag as soon as I get all these orders done. Well, maybe not. I may do it sooner. Almost looks like, girl, quit. Little girl with dreadlocks. Okay, maybe it's a bad idea. Oh, measure the egg. Measure the egg. Measure the egg. So it is about 10.5 inches from here to here. So I thought that thing will run. Y'all ain't right. Here I thought I was coming up with another brilliant idea. Maybe 10 inches. 10.5 inches. You're welcome. Oh, does it say on the bottom? Let me look. No. Rope size? Yes. I will get it to you. I hadn't forgot about you. Trust me, trust me. But when UPS loses 4 kits, I kind of get a little ticked off, y'all. I just had it. Here it is. So it's all natural jute, 98 foot, 29 by 87 meters, 3 ply. From Hobby Lobby. So screenshot it. And I put a picture of it on Facebook on my page. So, oops. That didn't work. Here we go. Yeah, a lady ordered 4 kits and I put them all together and combined shipping. They lost the whole daggone thing. They've been trying to find it for 2 days now. So, shut up, Dana. All right. Cat toy. That'll work as a cat toy. Thanks, Lana. You too, Donna. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. I'm done. Where's my fork? All right. So y'all have a good night. Y'all go get you some eggs and show me what you're making. You can use it. I ain't making no daggone spider out of them. They do. They're wired, y'all. You actually could. Instead of the black spiders I made, I could use I could make a brown spider. Y'all ain't right. I'm saying good night. Maybe take braid apart. I don't think you can. It's not a braid. I don't know. I'm going to think of something to do with it. That's for sure. You love the beehive, not the hair. All right. I'm out of here. Y'all have a good night. Bye, y'all.